Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hennepin County until 1 o'clock a.m. At 12:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eden Prairie, or 12 miles southwest of Minneapolis, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Savage around 12:45 a.m. Burnsville, Richfield, and Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport around 12:50 a.m. Bloomington around 12:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mall of America, Flying Cloud Airport, and Fort Snelling State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.